Are you tired of feeling like you're blending in on social media? Hi, I'm Melanie of Functional Media, and today I want to share 3 ways to help you stand out on social media so that you attract more followers, and ultimately attract new clients. So the first and foremost tip is to be you. There's no one else quite like you. So if you feel like you have to write the same content or similar content as someone else who's at this point has more followers, appears to be more successful on social media, don't write the exact same content on it. The reason why that content is working is because it came from their heart. So be you, there's no one else quite like you out there. So share content that you're passionate about, share content that's about you know what I mean? Stop the comparison game, because when you start to identify your own voice, that's where the power of standing out really comes into play. Number 2, identify your unique core authority points. So something I like to think about is there's usually 3 to 5 key things that can make you stand out online in general and stand out from the crowd. And then use those 3 to 5 key points in your messaging. That can be maybe your credentials. I don't like them all to be, all 3 to 5 points to be credentials, but like 1 to 2 can be. I usually like to include like a past experience. Maybe you used to be climbing the corporate ladder, got sick, healed yourself through functional medicine or something else. That can be a really strong core authority point. And so use your background. Maybe you are a mom of 5 kids who's also leading this really healthy life and also juggling her business, etc., etc. That could be a core authority point. Things that connect you to your audience, and make sure to use these points over and over again in your messaging in social media. The last thing is share your story and your health journey. Almost all of you, I bet, have had a health journey that you can share about that led you to where you are now, and share that. Be vulnerable. And a tip for you is not just share like the overarching story of it, but share really key points in your journey, like really specific instances, and tell that story to really connect you with readers, because they'll be like, oh my gosh, she knows what I'm going through. I'm going through the exact same thing right now. I want to work with that person. So again, 3 ways to stand out on social media is to be you, identify your core unique authority points, and share your story and be vulnerable. If you would also like more tips on how to create posts and post ideas, download my free 365-day content calendar, where I've laid out a post idea for you for every single day of the year so that you always know what you can post about.